Okay, and again, let's get a live copy of me. There's me. And here on number 1 on your basic practice, you've got the circumference of each circle. So we had formulas for circumference. Our formula said that 2 pi times the radius equals the circumference. So 2 times pi, the radius here is 4 inches, equals the circumference. So 2 times 4 is 8. So the circumference here is 8 pi inches. You can tell I don't have my cool Apple Pencil, so my handwriting is significantly worse than usual. But we're making do. I can at least work bigger. Then over here, oh, that's it for 1, 2, 3, and 4. All the same deal. Then on number 5, 6, 7, 8, you're going to find areas of a circle. Our area formula is area equals pi times the radius squared. So here I've got area equals pi times 4 meters squared. So area equals pi times 16 square meters. Area equals 16 pi meters squared. Cool. That's going to be 5 through 8. Then I want to check out the back of the